What is the difference between a pandas series and a single column data frame? Why does pandas make a distinction between a series and a single column data frame? In other words, what is the reason of existence of the series class? I'm mainly using time series with datetime index, maybe that helps to set the context.
Quoting the pandas docs. Pandas.dataframe data equals none, index equals none, columns equals none, type equals none, copy equals false two-dimensional size mutable, potentially heterogeneous tabular data structure with labeled axes, rows and columns. Arithmetic operations align on both row and column labels. Can be thought of as a dict-like container for series objects. The primary pandas data structure. So, the series is the data structure for a single column of a data frame, not only conceptually, but literally, i.e. the data in a data frame is actually stored in memory as a collection of series. Analogously, we need both lists and matrices, because matrices are built with lists. Single-row matrices, while equivalent to lists in functionality, still cannot exist without the lists they're composed of. They both have extremely similar APIs, but you'll find that DataFrame methods always cater to the possibility that you have more than one column. And, of course, you can always add another series, or equivalent object, to a data frame, while adding a series to another series involves creating a data frame.
From the pandas doc, this URL series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding any data type. To read data in form of panda series. DataFrame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns of potentially different types. In both of the above indexes list. For example, I have a CSV file with following data. To read above data as series in DataFrame. Output. Output.
Series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding any data type, integers, strings, floating point numbers, Python objects, etc. The axis labels are collectively referred to as the index. The basic method to create a series is to call. DataFrame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns of potentially different types. You can think of it like a spreadsheet or SQL table, or a dict of series objects.
Series is a one-dimensional object that can hold any data type such as integers, floats and strings e.g. The first column of series is known as index i.e. 0, 1, 2. The second column is your actual data i.e. A, B, C. DataFrames is two-dimensional object that can hold series, list, dictionary.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.